What's going on YouTube? Chiggs here from Chiggs Tech Reviews. So this watch is, in my opinion, the best smartwatch you can currently buy. It has everything you could possibly want from a smartwatch, including Bluetooth phone calls, 5 ATM waterproof, ability to reply to nearly all notifications, and a very nice rotating bezel. So today I've got my hands on the RINGKE Bezel styling for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 46mm. You can also get these bezels for the 42mm model as well. These are basically stick-on stylish bezels. You can choose from a wide range of colors and styles, and you have a choice of finishes between aluminium or stainless steel. And the best part is the price. These are currently going for under $25. So I have selected 3 different colors to test on my Samsung Galaxy Watch. And as you can see, they come very well presented in this green box. So let's get all 3 open and compare them side by side. So here are the 3 colors I chose. You got black and yellow, and this one is made from stainless steel. So it's slightly heavier than these two. These two are aluminium, and you can tell it's quite light. So navy blue and black. So these are really easy to install. Each bezel has a sticker on the back, adhesive sticker. You just peel this off and you'll be able to stick it on the watch. So first of all, the stainless steel one, if I just turn on the bezel, so that's how the black and yellow is going to look. And of course you can customize the watch faces to match some of these bezels. So yellow. So yeah, that looks quite nice. As you can see, the bezels are very slim. They're super slim, so it's not going to make your watch look any thicker or bigger. So it sits quite flush, and then you'll still be able to rotate, and you will still be able to rotate the screen quite nicely once you stick it on. I obviously haven't stuck it on yet because I'm still deciding which one I'm going to use. Let's try the others. So that was the black and yellow. Now the blue one looks really nice. It really brings out a bit of color and personality in the watch. I really do like the navy blue one. I'm going to try and customize the color of this watch face to match. If we have like a navy blue, we've got a blue, it's not navy, but let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's change the watch face. I think I've got a navy blue watch face. This one. So that looks quite good as well. Let's try the last one. So the last one is just black and white text. So black and white also looks good too. Very impressed with the quality of these bezels. Now you can also use these bezels on your Gear S3 Frontier and they will fit perfectly fine. So my favorite from this bunch has to be the navy blue. So I'm going to stick this on right now to show you how easy it is. So let's peel off the back sticker. Okay, I've peeled that off and I'm going to place this on the watch. That's done. Now let's just choose. Oh, I really like the navy blue. Let's go back to this. Wow, I have to say I really like the navy blue. You can still rotate the bezel perfectly fine. This is the aluminium version, so it's a lot lighter than the stainless steel, but I have to say it looks really nice. And you can see it doesn't increase the thickness of the watch, and you can rotate the bezel perfectly fine with no issues. That is how thin this product is. So there you have it guys, that was the RINGKE Bezel styling designed for your Samsung Galaxy Watch or Gear S3 Frontier. Now you can get these in both sizes, both 46mm and 42mm. So awesome product. Very impressed with the price and quality, and I absolutely love what it's done to my already favorite smartwatch. Let me know which bezel you think looks the best from these 3. Meanwhile, I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.